Saga is tired of Nini's new attitude.
Of course now, but if I don't come and visit, I want to be. Can't go and visit, I want to be threatening other people, threatening my own emotional stability every second.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we see Saga in a conversation with Saskay in the games arena, and of course we hear Saga saying that he's really tired of Nini's attitude because him as a person, whenever he's in a relationship, he puts his head and he puts his all in the relationship, and that there's nothing wrong with the way he's handling Nini right now.
No, I'm not even interested. I don't know how to multitask all those stupid things boys used to do.
Yeah.
If I put my hand in one place, it's there. You understand what I'm saying? So I don't know, but girls like this, jam, get sense. Because eventually, that's what all of them want. They want a guy they can settle with. When they get a guy they can settle with, it's acting like weary, just like mad people. Do you get? Because there's something wrong with the way I'm doing it now.
No, there isn't, honestly.
Well, she sees everything wrong with it.
Later today, we saw the fact that Nini was already sitting on Cross's laps, and Saga wasn't cool with it at all.
See, she don't know what talking about.
Because she's trying to protect her relationship, maybe you.
By sitting on Cross's laps for 2 hours. I beg you, so you don't, if you never cast, don't cast Jerry. I beg, leave that one. See, all of you,
that's why I've given up my relationship.
Do you understand? All of you that are here holding on to one relationship.
Let us play. If when I come out, the ones to say.
Do you understand?
Giving up doesn't mean I'm going to go around. But
of course now, but can't go and visit. I want to be threatening other people, threatening my own emotional stability every second.
Moving on to my next year, Saskay and Cross might eventually sell. So we saw Saskay and Cross having a conversation in the dining area, and Saskay was asking Cross, how well do you want me to give you a chance? How well do you want me to show you that I am giving you a chance to ask me out?
What do you consider giving you a chance? What exactly am I doing that it's not, or what do you want me to do that will prove I am giving you a chance? Because I personally think I am giving you a chance right now.
For real?
Of course I am. I literally told Peace this. I'm like, I'm actually, as much as I say you're not my type, the type of person I can date, but I'm still saying, because most of the times we might have a spec and we still don't end up with a person like that spec. Doesn't mean it wouldn't go well.
Yeah. And then we had Cross saying, whenever he tries to come close to Saskay, Saskay gives him like an I don't care attitude, and that makes him just move on, and he just acts like, okay, this is what you want, right? And I'm going to move on.
Emotions.
Okay, so but sometimes when I come to you, you just give me cold shoulders, or not really cold shoulders, you just give me like, you don't care, like, you're like, okay, whatever, like, and when I get that vibe, I'm like, okay, cool, whatever, let me just vibe with that and go back to my
Wow. You're not showing me you care, but you want me to show you.
Why not saying I care? I make you breakfast almost every day.
Because that's just true.
Finally, in this gist, Maria is really scoring these housemates. Of course, we know that it's all fake, right? But we see Maria jotting things down and scoring the housemates from 65 to 70. Some people are scoring 40 and all of that. And I'm beginning to think that with what Maria is doing, Big Brother can come with another twist and decide to just switch things up. Remember, we have 20 housemates in the house at the moment, and we're in the 4th week. By next week, we'll get into the 5th week, and we are halfway gone. And we still have 20 people in the house. So how is Big Brother going to evict these people? Big Brother has got lots of surprises locked in. Now, what do I think about the Saga Nini situation? I think that, Saga should just give it breathing space because this is beginning to look like an Ozo Nengi situationship. Please go to the comment section and let us continue our conversations there. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bells, and guys, so you get notified whenever I post a video. Go on social media platforms on Facebook, on Instagram, on Twitter, and of course on TikTok, and follow me at The Femi Daniel. Until next time I come your way very soon, it's bye for now.